Now, your Storm Track 9 weather.
And like I said earlier, it's finally a beautiful day today.
That's right. You know, we've had a lot of rotten weather here the past several days, and I think most folks are going to enjoy the upcoming forecast. So that's an indication you want to stay tuned through this weather presentation to see the 7-day outlook. Well, right now, temperature readings in the area are at least doing a little bit better because we've had some sunshine today, especially from Wausau or central Wisconsin southward, but otherwise to the north where the cloud cover has held in there more firmly through the day. It's still chilly, only in the mid to upper 40s to the north of Wausau as of 5 p.m. and a little bit milder to the south and to the east where we've had a bit more sunshine. Our Storm Track 9 satellite and radar view still shows some of those persistent clouds in far northeastern part of the state. Those will diminish some this evening. There's plenty of cloud cover over southern Canada. Some of that will brush through the area tonight and during the day tomorrow, but not much of it will, mainly across the northern part of the area where we might have a sprinkle or a light shower. Otherwise, tonight's going to be quiet, that's for sure. Clear to partly cloudy skies. It's going to be chilly, lows in the range of 29 to 34. Winds will stay light, but eventually turn to the south and toward morning start to pick up to around 6 to 15 miles per hour. But nonetheless, it's going to be cool enough that we'll have some frost concerns. A frost advisory is in effect from 11 p.m. this evening until 8 a.m. Monday morning for parts of eastern and southern Wisconsin, including Menominee, Shawano, Waupaca, and Waushara counties. To the north of Wausau, the growing season is long gone. It's been gone for a long time. It's ended quite a while ago. But for much of central Wisconsin, for the most part, the growing season has ended. We had a good frost in Wausau last night, so that's why there's only an advisory for the counties that are indicated, even though much of the area is going to have a frost or potential freeze tonight. Lows today in the area range from the mid-20s to low 30s. And it was a chilly start to the day, and highs weren't much better, mid-40s to the north of Wausau and some low 50s elsewhere. For Wausau, the range was a low of 30 to a high of 51 today. Both values were 10 degrees cooler than the averages for the 4th of October, and of course the sun continues to set earlier as the day length is decreasing across the area. This evening in Wausau it will be setting at 6:32. But if we're patient, we have some really lovely autumn weather on the way this week. The coolest high temperature reading will be 58 on Thursday, but we're looking forward to upper 60s next weekend, and even before then, not too bad. The main thing we'll be battling is wind at times this week. Low pressure systems will track along the U.S.-Canadian border, but mainly stay north of our coverage area. So tomorrow we'll be brushed by some clouds and a slight chance of a shower far north later in the day. Another one of these systems comes in Tuesday with maybe a few showers over the northern part of the area during the afternoon and into the evening. Monday at 7 a.m. it's going to be chilly again. 30 to 35 degrees with the promise of sunshine. South wind starting to pick up at 6 to 15 miles per hour. A blustery day tomorrow. Winds from the south, though. That brings warmer air northward. Again, a slight chance for a shower far north. Highs in the mid to upper 50s to the north of Wausau and to the low 60s to the south. So it will feel better in spite of the blustery conditions. Our 7-day forecast calls for mainly dry weather except for a chance of some showers far north again Tuesday. We'll be battling wind at times this week, but overall a fairly mild temperature pattern as well.